Finally, a green monthly closing after 3 months of decline. Stalkers, welcome back. I am on the monthly chart. It means we are looking at a very higher time frame. Yes, for the month of June we are already done. We are seeing a pause candle after 3 months of declining. Check this out. March was red, April was also red, and in the month of May we saw market came down till about 3,950. This small green candle is June's monthly closing. I'm on the monthly chart, so obviously this represents 1 month of trading activity. My worry is we are only seeing a pause. This can be very dangerous on monthly chart. There are chances, if at all market breaks the low of this candle, that is 3,965, then there are chances it may come down to visit 3,875. If this does not hold, then it can even come down to 3,750 area. On the monthly chart, Dubai stock market is still in an uptrend. We can see a nice rally from 3,300 points. Market went up till about 3,200, came back for a correction till about 3,875, that is support. From here it started a fresh rally till about 4,400 points. And from here we are seeing a decline. Yes, this is a correction phase. Still there are chances it can break the support and go lower. For it to be bullish on the monthly chart, I want to see a closing of July above 4,100 points. That's when we can call it now it's safe. There are chances it can break 4,200 and even visit 4,400 points. So overall on monthly chart, yes, market is still in an uptrend. We are seeing weakness. For the last 3 months market was declining. Now it's decision time, whether it will continue up or it will break the support and go down. Let's go down to weekly and see how the market is looking. This is the weekly chart, and here we can see nice bullish scenario. Check this out. Market took a pause around 3,975 for about a month, and in Friday session we are seeing a breakout. This is healthy. There are chances of continuation to the upside from here. Talking about the resistance on weekly chart, we have strong resistance at 4,080 points. If this is broken, then market will get ready for a strong hurdle, that is 4,140 points. So on the weekly chart, DFM market index is looking positive. Let's go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. This is a very nice price action. Check this out. Market was consolidating within this tight range. I have been updating about this lately in my videos that we are expecting a breakout very soon. And market has tested the resistance of 4,030 points that I have been mentioning again and again. This is a resistance. Previously market took a pause into this zone. From here it made a low till about 3,945, and thankfully from here we are seeing a recovery. Market is respecting this trend line. Friday the resistance is taken out, that was at 4,015 points. Previously market was struggling to break 4,000 points. In Friday we saw very positive closing in most of the stocks. I hope you have picked up the right stocks and you are in profits. As of now, need of the hour is to break this resistance so that we can expect upside momentum from here. So overall on daily chart also, DFM market is looking very positive. If at all we are seeing any correction, then this zone, that is 4,013 to 4,015 points, should act as a support. I hope this is not a fake breakout, because we saw good volumes in Friday's session. There are very good chances we may see continuation to the upside. After 5 months of decline, ADX market, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, is showing some positivity. Check this out. From January, February, March, April, May, all red candles. It means market was going down, and in the month of June it has printed nice bullish candle. This is looking interesting. Reason is it has broken the resistance of 8,975. It has almost covered the red candle that was printed in the month of May. So on the monthly chart we are seeing some positivity, but still this cannot be considered as bullish, because after a strong decline there are chances of small recovery, and then it can make a U-turn and come down to make a new low. Hopefully that does not happen. For it to be bullish, I want to see a closing above 9,300 points, which will also indicate us that it has covered 50% of this drop to the downside, and now slowly and steadily we can expect it to hit strong area of resistance, that is 9,815. Overall, there are chances of more recovery in ADX market index. It's looking positive. Let's go down to weekly and see how the market is looking. This is the weekly chart. We are seeing a bullish price action here. We are seeing a drop from 9,815, almost all red candles. Support is found at 8,700 points. We saw some recovery, a pause and a continuation. This is a positive price action. On the weekly chart, we have resistance at 9,160. Once this is taken out, then we will see how the market reacts at 9,245. So still ADX market index is in a downtrend. We are only seeing recovery as of now. It's not yet bullish. I will go down to daily and see how the chart is looking. By the way guys, this is top to bottom analysis, which means we are looking at a very higher time frame and then we are coming down to see how the market is reacting, what is the trend, how is the support, how is the resistance. On the daily chart, we are looking at a breakout zone. This area was resistance, that is 9,028 points. Market tried multiple times but it was not able to break through. The best part is, as I have been mentioning in my videos, it's taking a pause near the resistance, that is 8,975. Finally this was broken. It came down for a retest, which is healthy, and in Friday's session we saw a follow through, which also indicates us a breakout. Closing is above 9,050 points, which is positive. From here there are very good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Area of resistance that I'm looking very closely is 9,160. Check this out. This was the resistance area. Previously market was declining. We saw first signs of recovery. It was not able to survive, and from here we saw a strong decline till about 8,700. From here market is going through a recovery phase. We saw a breakout last week. Still we cannot say market is bullish. I want to see a candle close above the previous swing high to consider this to be positive and bullish, because from here there are chances it may hit the resistance and then come down again, which we do not want to see. I hope we see a candle close above the resistance so that fresh buyers and investors jump in to take the index more higher. So overall ADX market is looking positive. We are looking at a nice and healthy recovery. I hope ADX market starts a fresh trend to the upside from here. At the same time, let me tell you, if you are looking at the markets, there are very good opportunities. Select your stocks carefully and then invest your money. If you are just selecting your stocks randomly, you are just gambling, you are not sure whether it's a trending stock or not, you may end up blocking your capital and you will miss out opportunities on other trending stocks. In case if you are not able to identify the stocks, let me do it for you. Join my YouTube membership where I select the stocks carefully and recommend where to enter and exit. Link is in the description. This is the daily chart of the DR development. Previously we were looking at this zone for a buy, that is 0.751. We were waiting for a breakout so that we can take any buy entries. Since that did not happen, we did not take any positions. Let me tell you something, buying a stock that is cheaper is not necessarily a good buy. There are very good chances if the stock is declining, it may hit the resistance and make a new low. Imagine if you have bought right at the top, now the price have come down till about 0.685. Obviously your capital is blocked, you are in loss and you are missing out on other opportunities. And now you are waiting when it goes near this zone again, that is 0.750, that was previously a resistance. You will try and offload it at least at break even, or to minimize your losses you will cut your positions near this zone. So don't do that mistake. Always take entries when the stocks are breaking out or they are at good support zone. Here is a good example. As I mentioned previously, we were looking for a buy entry right into this zone. It did not break the resistance, so we did not take any entries. And from here it started to decline, making new lows. I was stalking this stock very closely. This is how you follow the trend. This is how you follow the behavior of the stock. How is it performing or how is it reacting at support zone? Check this out. It has made a double bottom around 0.685. It came down, tried to move up. It could not sustain, came down again. Buyers got activated again at the same zone. This is a double bottom chart pattern. It means sellers have tried 2 times to bring the price lower from here, but that did not happen. When it was at 0.685, buyers pushed the price up. Again sellers jumped in, they brought the price back at the same zone. And this was the final attempt. Buyers got activated and they pushed the price up. So this indicates now buyers are here. Support zone is confirmed. From here there are good chances of continuation to the upside. Well, what can happen potentially is If at all it comes down for profit booking, then 0.075 should act as a support, because this is the neckline of this chart pattern, that is double bottom, or we can also call it a W pattern. So if at all 0.705 does not hold, then we can expect it to come down till about 0.700. So again, you have to stalk DR very closely. First thing first, it has broken the resistance, so you are selecting this stock for buys. Now you are watching it very closely whether it's continuing its upside momentum or it's coming down for a retest. In both the scenarios, you should be ready, because there are chances you may see a continuous momentum to the upside. If at all it breaks the resistance, it's good for an entry. If it comes down to revisit the support zone, it is still good for an entry. After the decline from this area, that is 0.705, it was trying to break the resistance, getting rejected. It tried again to break this trend line. Sellers were aggressive. It tried multiple times but no luck. Finally, we can see a breakout, but that was not decisive. This was the candle that broke this trend line right here, but it was not very decisive, so we could not make any decision. And from here it came down for a retest. This is a nice breakout. Volume is good in Friday's session. DR is looking good, but mind you, 0.720 is area of resistance. Previously the same zone was acting as a support. We can see good bounces from here. Whenever price was coming here, we can see upside momentum. So if at all it continues its upside momentum, rally has started from 0.685. Don't just directly jump in, because again you will block your money. Either it has to establish a base here, spend few days, and then a breakout that should be considered genuine. Second scenario, if at all it comes down to revisit any of the support zone, we look at the buying momentum with the good volumes, then we can take the positions. Taking entries blindly, even in bullish stocks, can be suicidal. You will block your money. Hit the like button if you understood this concept. So guys, this was the monthly review of DFM and ADX with a positive stock, that is DR Development. For more updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.